A great model is not just about technical skills. It's about philosophy, discipline, and strategy. These are the 4 golden rules of elite modelers. Rule 1. Completion over perfection. Your primary goal when you start is to build a basic functioning model that flows from historical to a final intrinsic value. Get a first draft done. Don't get stuck for 3 days perfecting the revenue forecast for one product line. Why? Because the process of completing the model reveals insights you would never see if you were stuck on part 1. Sophistication is an iterative process, not a one-time setup. You build a simple structure, then you go back and add layers of granularity, like a painter adding layers of detail to a foundational sketch. Think about it, it's like writing a novel. You don't polish the first chapter for 6 months until it's perfect. You write a complete, messy, rough first draft to get the entire story, beginning, middle, and the end down on paper. Only then you go back for the second and the third and the fourth drafts to refine the language, deepen the characters, and fix the plot holes. Get the story finished first. Rule number 2. Strategic data sourcing. Don't start by spending 10 hours buried in a 400-page annual report. That's a rookie mistake. We start smart. Phase 1. Use data aggregators like Screener.in, Investing.com, or MoneyControl.com. Pull the last 5 years of financials in minutes. Use this to build your first pass model. This quick process will tell you if the company is even worth a deeper look. Phase 2. Once you have your initial intrinsic value, then you go deep. You open the annual report to find the granular details, the segment-wise revenue, the capex guidance, the debt maturity profile. That will allow you to sophisticate your model and defend your assumptions. It's a 2-step approach. Speed first, then depth. Rule number 3. The discipline of perseverance. You will hit a wall. You will find a metric or a number in a report and you will have no idea where it goes in your model. The amateur panics and quits. The pro demonstrates discipline. Never leave a model broken or half-finished. If you get stuck on a specific item, create a parking lot section in your assumptions tab. Note down the item, what you don't understand about it, and move on. Complete the rest of the model. This shows the perseverance. Once the model is otherwise complete, you can take that specific, well-defined question to a senior, a mentor, or a subject matter expert. Think about it. It's like assembling complex furniture from IKEA. You're building a wardrobe and you find a strange-looking screw. You have no idea where it goes. Do you abandon the half-built wardrobe in the middle of your room? No, right? You put the screw safely aside and continue building the frame, attaching the doors, the parts you do understand. When 95% is built, it's often much clearer where that last piece fits. If not, you can still call a customer support with a very specific question and not a vague one like, I can't build it. Rule number 4. Simplicity is the king. The internet is flooded with hyper-complex 50-tab financial model templates with flashy colors and macros. Ignore them all. They are a trap. They teach you nothing. Start with a blank Excel sheet or a clean basic template you create. Why? Because a model you build from scratch is a model you understand in your bones. You can defend every cell, every link, every formula. Simplicity breeds clarity. The goal of a model is not to win a beauty contest. It's to provide a clear, defensible answer. The simpler your model is structured, the easier it is to explain your story to an interviewer or an investment committee. Think about it. Imagine you want to learn how to cook. You could buy a fancy, automated, multifunction cooking robot that promises you to do everything for you. But what would you really learn? Nothing. The better path is to start with a single high-quality chef's knife and a good pan. By mastering the basic tools, you learn the financial techniques of cooking. You understand the why, not just the what. Your financial model is your chef's knife, not a magic robot.